Namaskar, you are watching channel Enviro Notations. Steel Authority of India Limited, widely known as SAIL, is an Indian state-owned steelmaking company. SAIL is one of India's fastest growing public sector units with an annual turnover of 66,267 crore rupees for the financial year 2018-2019. Enviro Notations made an effort to review the SAIL Corporate Sustainability Report for the financial year 2018-2019 on the basis of selected environmental parameters. My name is Sanjay Mishra and I am presenting the same review report. In his message, Sri Anil Kumar Chaudhary, Chairman, has stated SAIL is committed to sustainable development encompassing environmental, societal and economic impacts related to its business activities, and this report is the testimony of our relentless efforts towards sustainable development, which integrates business and inclusive development in harmony with nature. Another excerpt from SAIL Chairman's message in the Corporate Sustainability Report for 2018-2019 is: concerted efforts across the organization have resulted in achieving significant improvement in environmental parameters. In the last 5 years, there has been 16% reduction in particulate matter emission load, 6% reduction in specific water consumption, 17% reduction in specific effluent discharge, and 3% reduction in specific CO2 emission. To create carbon dioxide sink, since inception, over 20 million trees have been planted in SAIL plants and mines. The company is implementing a sustainable development project for long-term maintenance of ecologically restored limestone mined out area and water body of mine void Purnapani mine, which is the last lap of implementation. Analyzing the Corporate Sustainability Report 2017-2018 and 2018-2019, we found that particulate emission was 0.81 kg per ton of crude steel during 2015-2016, which came down to 0.77 kg per ton of crude steel in 2016-2017, which further went down to 0.74 kg per ton of crude steel, and in 2018-2019 it was further reduced to 0.7 kg per ton of crude steel. In line with India's commitment in Paris Agreement, SAIL has set a target for carbon dioxide emission of 2.30 ton per ton of crude steel production by 2030, which is equal to 23% reduction in emissions level that of 2007-2008. The company could achieve reduction of 11.7% of carbon dioxide emission over the last 10 years through installation of technologies, clean technologies rather, in MODEX phase. The specific carbon dioxide emission during 2018-2019 was 2.57 ton per ton of crude steel, which was 2.56 ton per ton of crude steel in the previous financial year, which was 2017-2018. Now, the steel industry is one of the most water intensive industries. The steel industry requires a lot of water for the purpose of cooling, gas cleaning, descaling, dust scrubbing and other process operations. However, the report depicts that very little water was actually consumed, as most of it was recycled back to the system. In SAIL, water is drawn from surface water sources, primarily perennial rivers and streams and internal reservoirs in order to meet the requirement for industrial use. It is also stated that SAIL does not encourage use of groundwater. However, the report shows groundwater usage in only one plant, that is Chandrapur Ferro Alloy Plant CFP. SAIL has reported through consistent efforts specific water consumption was reduced by 6% in last 5 years. Specific water consumption has come down to 3.44 kiloliter per ton of crude steel in 2018-2019, which was 3.83 during 2015-2016, 3.75 kiloliter per ton of crude steel during 2016-2017, and 3.62 kiloliter per ton of crude steel during 2017-2018. There is a substantial and continuous down trend found in this water consumption, rather specific water consumption. Now, specific effluent discharge in SAIL was found to be increased to 1.8 kiloliter per ton of saleable steel, while it was 1.78 kiloliter per ton of saleable steel during 2017-2018, as compared to 1.91 kiloliter per ton of saleable steel and 2.14 kiloliter per ton of saleable steel during 2016-2017 and 2015-2016 respectively. The increase in specific effluent discharge for the year 2018-2019 as compared to 2017-2018 could be related to the declaration by the company. Very little water is actually consumed, as most of the water is recycled back to the system, although there was no specific reasoning given in the report. Now, coming to the biological oxygen demand, BOD values in all the SAIL plants was found to be within norms. BOD value was found to be in the highest range in Chandrapur Ferro Alloy Plant, which is 21 to 37 milligram per liter. However, it is reported that the allowable limit for the specific for the specific parameter in that plant is 100 milligram per liter, but there is no further details and reasonings. Cyanide concentration was found to be substantial, though within allowable limits, and it was found to be the highest in Durgapur steel plant. The quantity of effluent discharge got increased by above 7.79% from 24.51 million cubic meter during 2017-2018 to 26.41 million cubic meter during 2018-2019. The production of steel is associated with a considerable generation of solid wastes like slag, dust and sludge, etc. Therefore, waste minimization has a significant role in the steel plants. Furthermore, utilization of waste through integrated waste management has gained special importance in today's scenario, as these wastes have a wide-ranging impact on the environment. The report says SAIL has adopted 4 R's policy: reduce, recover, recycle and reuse across all its processes. In the company, the solid wastes like mill scale, blast furnace, flue dust, blast furnace, slag and waste refractory bricks are utilized fully. Company has achieved to 96% utilization of BF slag during 2018-2019. 56% of BOF slag were utilized during 2018-2019. Through concerted efforts, SAIL has achieved 85% utilization of total solid wastes during the year 2018-2019. Regarding the hazardous wastes, the report states hazardous wastes generated at the integrated steel plants during the year 2018-2019 was 1,39,087 ton as compared to the previous year data of 1,41,093 ton. SAIL Sustainability Report 2018-2019 states that no species from the IUCN Red List have habitats in the area of operation. According to the report, approximately 205.97 lakh trees have been planted since inception and about 4.43 lakh saplings were planted during 2018-2019, which is 53.6% as compared to 8.27 lakh saplings planted during 2017-2018. The company is assessing its carbon footprint in one hand and potential sequestration of carbon dioxide through its existing biotic resources on the other. A project on carbon sequestration through afforestation has been taken up at the site of Rourkela steel plant. Tropical Forest Research Institute, Jabalpur, has been engaged to carry out the same. SAIL chairman's message shows that Durgapur steel plant has undertaken the mission project for development of 409 acres biodiversity park with 7 water bodies aesthetically designed for rainwater harvesting, soil conservation and watering the plants, plantation of 60,000 saplings of 400 species to attract migratory birds, facilitating avian diversity, propagation of rare and medicinal plants or orchards for maintaining ecological balance, environmental sustainability and benefiting or educating 75,000 natives. In view of enviro annotations, though it is stated that the Corporate Sustainability Report 2019 has been prepared in accordance with the GRI Sustainability Reporting Standards 2016, deliberation on plant and tree survival rate, area under plantation and list of predominant species may bring further value to the report. The report should also incorporate any data on solid wastes characterization. SAIL CSR 2019 does not offer any data on characterization of hazardous waste. It has also remained silent on the e-waste management and status of compliance with prevailing rules of the Government of India. Thank you very much for watching this video. This was full of contents. Hope you liked. Please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you very much. If you have any comments, please do share with us.